Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, right side specifically, and then locate the screen recorder toggle. Once you see it, simply tap on it. Now if you're doing this the first time around, it will ask you for permission to storage and screen recording, so just grant it, and then it should begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded, and once you're done, you can click right here on this timer, and this will automatically stop your screen recording and save it to your gallery application. So you can navigate to albums, and in here you will find screenshots album, and that's where the device actually saves screen recordings. As you can see it right here. Oh, there we go. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.